Hey everybody, ready for another exciting episode right here on Catechism for Kids? Remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. And who knows, you may just learn something about the Catholic faith that will help you in your walk with Jesus Christ. So let's get started. Have you ever attended Mass and heard a bell ring? If you've ever seen a bell ringing during Mass, you might have wondered, what does it mean? Why are they ringing a bell? Well, today we're going to find out why bells are rung during Mass. So let's dive right into it. This little bell is called the Sanctus Bell, or sometimes the altar bell. But why is it called the Sanctus Bell? Well, let's find out together. The word sanctus actually means holy in Latin. And when that bell rings, guess what? It means something holy is happening. So what exactly happens during Mass when the bell is rung? Well, the Sanctus Bell is rung at a very special moment during the Eucharistic prayer, also called the Consecration. During the Consecration, we remember that Jesus is really present in the Eucharist. The priest begins to say the words Jesus spoke at the Last Supper. "This is my body, which will be given up for you. This is my blood, which will be shed for you." Then ding, the bell rings. Then we see the host being raised up, and then the chalice is raised. The bell rings again. Sparkling light surrounds the altar. The bell rings when the bread and wine become the actual body and blood of Jesus. It's the most amazing moment of Mass because Jesus is really there. And how does the bell remind us to respond properly at this moment? Let's find out together. The sound of the bell reminds us to: number 1, pay attention.
Ow.
Number 2, be reverent. And number 3, say in our hearts, "My Lord and my God." Even if our minds wander sometimes, the bell says, "Hey, something holy is happening. Let's focus on Jesus." Do you want to hear a fun fact about the Sanctus Bell? Well, back in the old days, churches were really big, and sometimes people sat far away from the altar. So the bell helped them know exactly when to kneel and adore Jesus. The Sanctus Bell has been used in churches for many years. Every time it rings, it reminds us to listen with our hearts. Every time you hear the Sanctus Bell ringing during Mass, remember, Jesus is coming to be with us. Let's listen with our ears and even more with our hearts. Thanks for joining us here on Catechism for Kids. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. And who knows, you may just learn something about the Catholic faith that will help you in your walk with Jesus Christ. And with that, our show comes to an end. Until next time, remember, stay safe, stay awesome, and God bless you.